going to show you how to do moss stitch, which is a decorative stitch using just the purl and the knit stitch. It can replace the rib in baby cardigans along the bottom of the cardigan, or the cuff of the sleeve, or the neck. And I don't think it's as stretchy as the rib, but it's a decorative stitch. Now it's about 5 rows of moss stitch, and it doesn't look like rib, but the process is the same. You start knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl all along the row, and on the next row you do the opposite stitch. So you can see here that this is a knit, so what I have to do is start this row with a purl, and not forgetting to take our wool across. So this is a knit and then a purl. And you can see here that this was a purl, so now we knit that one because we're doing the opposite. And this was a knit, so we're doing the purl. So you just continue all the way down along the row, doing the opposite to what was there before. So sometimes you will start with a purl, and other times you will start with a knit. It may be difficult to count the rows that you've done, but what I usually do is count the bobbles. So we've done 1, 2, 3 there, and there's 1, 2, 3, so we've done 6 rows there, and that is moss stitch.